Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So, I've had this charger for a while now and I finally decided to make a review of this. I had this since Christmas, so it's like 8 months I have it. So I finally decided to make a review of this. Now I'm gonna show you how this works and all the features and functions that this has. So in the box you will find this adapter, it's included. It's a 15 volts 6 amps power supply. Feels pretty good quality though. And you will find this octopus, which is made from those two banana connectors, and it splits into XT60, into T-plug and other type of connectors that I don't know the name now. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. In the box you can also find this HTRC LipoSafe bag, which is the same brand as the charger, and you can store inside this your lipos in case they will explode. This will help you keep the fire and flames inside, so you will lower the risk to start a fire somewhere. So yeah, let's get into this charger now. So the power is plugged in, blue LED lights up on the power supply. Now we can plug in the charger. And it says the name of the charger and their website. This one seems to be original. Hey, it even has the scratch and check in the bottom, see? It says original. So I think it is, even though it looks really nice. And yeah, I got the version with the adapter and this octopus included. You can also get the version that only the charger and a few cables like those and like XT60, but you don't get an adapter. But it's universal. You can input, as you can see, from 11 to 18 volts. So it's quite a wide range of voltage. So we start. I'm gonna show you first the settings menu, so the things that you can get. So we're gonna head to user settings. So here you can set the key beep. So if you wanna hear this, hear that beep, I usually keep it off because it's annoying sometimes. This it is the volume of the beep. Now I still keep it low. Well, it's off, so it doesn't matter. This is the completioning, so this is set now to 1 minute. So when it finishes to charge or discharge a lipo, a lithium-ion cell, or every battery, or it finishes a program, it will beep for 1 minute. Cycle waste time, it basically means when you do nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium batteries, when you set it on cycles, it will charge, discharge. Between one charge and one discharge, it will wait the time you set, so it will let the battery cool down and rest a little bit before continuing with the program. This one is the low input volt, so it's set to 10 volts now. So it's basically, if you connect a battery to this, if the battery gets lower to 10 volts, this will stop charge the other battery. So for example, if you are not home, you can connect here a 12 volt battery. They even included in the box like an adapter from this connector to those alligators, so you can connect to a battery. So from a car battery you can charge your other lipos and lithium-ion cells. So okay, I was saying, so if it goes under 10 volts, the battery over discharges, this will stop doing the program it was doing, so it won't over discharge the battery. This is the external temperature cutoff, so you can connect here a temperature probe. As you can see, there's the connection port here, but I don't have it. So it can sense the temperature of the battery. If it exceeds 60 degrees, it will stop charging or discharging or whatever it was doing. And you can set the temperature here if you want. It is on now, but yeah, I don't have the probe, so on or off, it doesn't matter. This is wait, I'll try one thing. Oh, it doesn't even let me turn it off. See that? Oh, not this. Oh, I see. It was just if you hold it, it will like switch on and off super fast. It will keep switching on and off. Okay, let's just leave it on. What the fuck? Okay, not want to glitch it. Capacity cutoff. So if it charges a battery and it sees that it's putting inside the battery more than 8,000 milliamp hours, it will cut off to prevent overcharge. Safety timer, this is also off, so if it's charging for more than 250 minutes it will cut off, and you can set it what you want. Charge power limit 80 watts, which is the maximum of this charger. See, charging power 80 watts. It's out of focus. Okay, so this is the lithium polymer LiFi or lithium ion or lithium high voltage balance control. So this will be more or less accurate. It's like accurate, fast, standard, or accurate. So if you set fast, it will balance the cell, but not very accurately. Standard, yeah, it's kind of normal, and accurate, it will be more accurate, but it will also take more time because it has to put them in accurate. Termination voltage control, so this should be, yeah, you can basically set the voltage you want each cell to cut off at. So if you have a LiPo battery, you want that each cell when it's fully charged, now it's set to 4.2 volts, but you can lower it. For example, you want that it cuts off to 4.15 volts, you set it to 4150 millivolts. So yeah, but yeah, I leave it default. Reset factory default if you want, but I won't do that. And now it's back to the top. Okay, so this was the user settings. Now let's see the extra function. This one is pretty nice. So it may meter lithium, and it will basically say the state of the battery. Now I'm gonna connect my LiPo that's inside this, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, I hooked up this 3S Tattoo LiPo battery. It's a HTRC battery, 75C, and it's hooked up by this 3S connector here and this XT60. So you're gonna hit battery status, LiPo. This is a LiPo, so I'm gonna hit OK. And it says LiPo 3S. It will automatically recognize the number of cells. 11.86 volts is the voltage of the battery. 70% is the percentage, and if you press here you can see the voltage of each cell. See, 3.95, 3.95, 3.95. So it's still nicely balanced. Okay, then there's the battery ER, the internal resistance. It will measure. Okay, so that's 10 and 9 and 50 milliohms. Looks legit. Balancer, so this will basically not charge the battery, but it will just balance the cells. So for example, start the program. Yeah, I think it was, yeah, balance end, because they were already balanced, so yeah, it didn't need balancing. So yeah, and this one is nice. I'm gonna disconnect the battery now. This one is my favorite. Is my favorite feature of this charger. So this is called digital power. This will basically turn this charger into a bench power supply. So you enter, you set the voltage you want the output at. For example, let's set it to, I don't know, 7 volts. Looks okay. And you can limit the current. It goes up to 6 amps, I think. Yep, 6 amps. You can limit the current you want at. Let's limit it to 3 amps. And now I'm gonna connect a load. Wait a second. So I hooked up this car halogen lamp. So this one has 2 filaments. I only connected to 1 filament, so it's gonna drop around 5 amps. So I'm gonna set limit the current to 5.5 amps, I don't know, and voltage 12 volts because it's the voltage that the lamp needs. Well, it's rated voltage, so set 12 volts, 5.5 amps. I'm gonna press start, and there it is. It will supply power to it, and you can see, oh, this is so bright. While supplying power, you can see the current 4.5 amps, the voltage, the power 53 watts, which is, this one is rated 55, so it's close. And yeah, this is the time that the power supply has been running. Now you can stop, maybe, yeah, and it will stop. Let me do it again. This is nice. See, if I disconnect it, it will stop. I can connect it back. See, it says 0 power now. Okay, I'm gonna connect it. It's going to show power. That's really nice. So for this video showing the extra features of this charger was it. Oh, this is the load memory, so every program you've done, it will basically, wait, save it. There it is. See, LiPo discharge, LiPo fast charge, LiPo discharge, charge, discharge, many discharges because I wanted to measure the capacity of the cells. Wow, a lot of discharges. Yeah, balance. This is when I charged my LiPo here. So this was the video about its extra features. In the next video, in the second part, I'm gonna show you all the settings to charge and discharge lithium batteries. So for today was it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you later. Bye.